How do specific altitudes affect aurora colors? Imagine standing under a sky filled with shimmering lights that change colors and dance across the night. Those stunning displays are called Aurora Borealis, and their colors depend on how high in the atmosphere the solar particles collide with gases. When charged particles from the sun hit Earth's atmosphere, they do so at different heights, and each level has different gases that glow in unique colors. At lower altitudes, below about 100 kilometers or roughly 60 miles, nitrogen molecules are the main players. These collisions can produce blue and purple hues, but these colors are often faint and less common. As you go higher, between 150 kilometers or about 90 miles and 250 kilometers or around 150 miles, oxygen molecules become more prevalent. When these molecules are excited by the solar particles, they emit a bright green light, which is the most typical and easiest to see color in the Aurora Borealis. This green glow is so vivid because oxygen emits green light very efficiently, and our eyes are most sensitive to this color. At even higher altitudes, from about 150 kilometers up to 400 kilometers, or roughly 90 to 250 miles, oxygen atoms can emit red light. This red color is rarer and usually appears during intense solar activity when a large number of charged particles reach these upper layers. The red glow happens because oxygen atoms in a different excited state need fewer collisions to emit their light, which only occurs in the very thin atmosphere at these heights. Sometimes, during powerful solar storms, you might see pink, yellow, or mixed colors, which come from a combination of oxygen and nitrogen emissions at various altitudes. So, the altitude where these particles collide determines which gases are involved and what colors are produced. Lower levels tend to give blue and purple shades. Middle levels create the bright green most people associate with the Aurora Borealis, and higher altitudes produce the rare red hues. These layers of color make the Aurora Borealis a mesmerizing natural wonder, constantly shifting and changing in the night sky. Next time you see those beautiful dancing lights, remember that their colors are a direct result of how high the solar particles are meeting Earth's atmospheric gases.